Davos Dubai WGS talk in full. DOGE. Updates to world governments. The conversation delves into three key themes: government efficiency, advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, and urban infrastructure innovation through projects like the Boring Company's tunnels. Here's a detailed breakdown. Government efficiency. Streamlining bureaucracy. The discussion emphasizes a mission to reduce government bloat and transition low-productivity bureaucratic roles to the private sector. Key points include public support versus bureaucratic resistance. While improving government efficiency polls at 70% approval among Americans, entrenched bureaucratic structures resist changes that threaten their roles. The goal is to shift workers from low or negative productivity government jobs to higher value private sector roles, boosting economic output and living standards. Paper-based federal retirement systems stored in a Pennsylvania mine highlight inefficiencies. Digitizing these systems could save thousands of labor hours and taxpayer dollars. Federal agencies, many redundant or conflicting. The analogy of too many referees on a sports field illustrates how overlapping regulations stifle productivity. The plan is to eliminate entire agencies, not just trim budgets, to prevent bureaucratic weeds from regrowing. 4% annual GDP growth. Lower government borrowing would reduce interest rates, easing mortgage, credit, and loan burdens for citizens. AI, Grok 3, and ethical considerations. The AI segment focuses on Grok 3, an advanced model nearing release, and broader ethical debates. Grok 3's capabilities, touted as surpassing current models like OpenAI's GPT-4 or DeepMind's systems. Grok 3 uses synthetic data and self-correcting logic to achieve scary smart reasoning. It identifies and discards flawed data, enabling unconventional problem solving. Release is expected in 1-2 weeks after final polish. Critique of OpenAI. The shift of OpenAI from a nonprofit to a for-profit entity is criticized as a betrayal of its original mission, open source public good AI. The analogy likens it to a rainforest preservation nonprofit turning into a lumber company. AI ethics and future risks. The conversation warns against programming AI with ideological biases. DEG, prioritizing diversity over truth, and stresses instilling truth-seeking and curiosity to avoid dystopian outcomes. References to Idiocracy and 2001: A Space Odyssey underscore the risks of misaligned AI values. Post-scarcity vision. With humanoid robots like Tesla's, Optimus, and AI, a future of abundant goods/services could render money obsolete. However, this hinges on AI remaining aligned with human well-being. 3. Urban innovation, the Boring Company, and Dubai Loop. The Boring Company's tunnel projects aim to revolutionize urban transport. Safety and efficiency. Tunnels are highlighted as earthquake-resistant. Underground structures avoid surface seismic waves, and weatherproof. Unlike flying cars, tunnels eliminate noise,
Las Vegas
wind
success,
disruption. Existing
and
tunnels
crash
in Las
risks.
Vegas demonstrate reduced congestion by connecting hotels, airports, and convention centers. The system uses autonomous electric vehicles for rapid, silent transit. Dubai Loop announcement. A new partnership launches the Dubai Loop, an underground network linking densely populated areas. The project promises wormhole-like travel, drastically cutting commute times in the UAE's most vibrant city. 3D infrastructure argument. Urban sprawl requires 3D transport solutions. While flying cars face practicality issues, tunnels offer scalable, unobtrusive alternatives to overcrowded roads. Broader philosophical themes. Democracy versus bureaucracy. The push to shrink government aligns with restoring rule by the people over unelected bureaucracies. Techno-optimism. Innovations in AI, robotics, and infrastructure are framed as tools to uplift humanity, provided they prioritize truth, efficiency, and ethical alignment. Global implications. Reducing U.S. regulatory overreach and foreign interventionism could inspire other nations to adopt similar reforms, fostering global economic growth and autonomy. The conversation concludes with optimism for a future where technology drives prosperity, but underscores the need for vigilant stewardship to avoid pitfalls like AI misalignment or bureaucratic resurgence.